Jesus, your love is amazing.
Jesus, your love is amazing.
I see your grace all around me.
Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. So today is my wife's birthday, and I'm supposed to give her present, but I took the children to football match, so I couldn't give her present. So but check what I bought for her. So guys, this is what I bought for her. You can see I bought her dress, shoe, perfume, and also bag and some jewelry. And I hope she likes it, especially the dress. And also the weather is raining outside, but we make a reservation for dinner this evening at 8 o'clock. But so guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell me what you think about this video. Okay, see you guys there. Sorry honey that I could not give you your present. So did you like your present?
I love it very much. I thought you would be busy, so
Yeah.
for me, I thought today we'll be just eating at home, and then maybe do it another time. I didn't know you were planning something for us tonight.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I hope it fits me though.
Yeah. Especially the dress.
I hope so, because I've gained weight, so
Yes.
but I'll be hitting the gym soon.
Yeah.
But I hope it fits me, and I love the jewelries. Yeah, it will look good on me also. Thank you very much.
And also the shoe.
The shoe is my size, so
Okay.
that it will fit. That I know it will fit. Yeah.
And also happy birthday to
Thank
you.
Thank
and,
you. Thank
we
you.
wish you long life. And
Thank you. So see you tonight at what did you do? You said
there's
you
a surprise. So
that is a surprise.
yeah, there's a
But you
surprise.
made a
I don't know whether
reservation.
at the restaurant, but I made a reservation. So
Okay.
we will find out in the evening.
Okay,
Yeah.
then
So,
see you then.
okay.
So if you haven't please subscribe and share. Thank
to
you.
others. Okay, see you there.
See you.
Guys, now we finished dressing, and we are come to step out and check the outfit that I bought for my wife.
It fits me perfectly. I was thinking it will not fit, but it fits perfectly.
Wow.
And I love the shoes also. So we're stepping out for dinner. So see you there.
Yeah. Okay, see you guys there.
Coming now, follow my lead. Coming now, follow my lead. I'm in love. Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody. It's Mr. Drew, party tonight, come make a party tonight. I said thank God for my life, I see me so no be by my mind. When me go, like Mr. Drew say, late tonight, another Friday night I want to party. Me and my people we go celebrate. No bad vibes, we be chillin', we just a jubilate. When the sun comes down and it's time to play, from Monday to Sunday, we the jam all night, I want to feel good, party all night long, see everybody say move. I want to feel good, party all night long, everybody say move. Everybody feeling irate, every day it's about there. Feel Everybody feeling irate. Every day it's a party. Feel the groove and vibration, vibration. As I run for my life, I can see me so up by my mind. When we go back tonight, yeah, yeah. See we go select tonight too. All my people want to die here tonight too. Cannabis is making me the happy for mind too. Tonight is a one of a kind too. Yeah, yeah. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna touch with somebody. Tonight you can call me your daddy, your daddy, your daddy. I wanna dance with somebody, but you know they start till the morning. We know they worry. Everybody feeling irate. Every day it's a party. Feel the groove and vibration, vibration. Yeah. Everybody feeling irate. Every day it's a party. Feel the groove and vibration, vibration. I run for my life. I can see me so up by my mind. When we go back tonight, the crew says late tonight. It's Mr. Drew, party tonight. Come make a party tonight. I said thank God for my life. I see me so up by my mind.
Very nice. How do you like it so far? It's good? Are you enjoying yourself? Yeah? It's nice? Leroy, you like it? Yeah? Have you found your seafood? You found it here. Your seafood? Birthday lady. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. What are you doing? Welke deze? Is die Ace? Ace is. Ace bij de andere kant. Kom. Ace is daar. niet. Ah, die niet. Dat is niet eens. Dat is de eens. We moeten dingen pakken. Kom. Kom, we moeten dingen pakken. Dingen. Moet met deze. Moet met deze. Oh no, doen. Birthday lady, and how is it so far?
I'm feeling myself.
Yeah? Yeah. You like it?
I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Are you having a good time?
Very good time.
Oh, that is nice. It's nice. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you once again. You hit it 10 out of 10? Makila, how do you rate this restaurant? 100 million? And what do you have to say to your mother? What do you have to say to your mother? What do you have to say? Hello?
3 volwassenen en 3 kinderen.
Maar
Ja.
die heeft niet.
Ja,
Heeft niks,
maar
heeft
is er 1 kind betalen en dat 2 kindjes
Ja.
klaar is. Ja.
Ah, oké, goed. Heel bedankt. Ja.
Met de kaart betalen?
Ja, met de kaart, ja.
Alsjeblieft.
Ja.
Oh ja, dan ga ik katholiek. Alsjeblieft.
Ja, heel bedankt hè.
Ja, dank je.
Ja, daar hè. Daar hè.